Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of beauty pageants. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to the stunning Florence Garcia, who has just been crowned Miss Universe El Salvador 2024. Get ready to dive into the details of her journey, the glitz and glamour of the competition, and what lies ahead as she prepares to represent El Salvador on the grand stage of Miss Universe 2024. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on your favorite queens and their incredible journeys. On the magical evening of Saturday, 7th September, the Teatro President in San Salvador was the epicenter of elegance, grace, and fierce competition as 14 of the most beautiful and talented women from across El Salvador vied for the coveted title of Miss Universe El Salvador 2024. The event, broadcast live on Channel 2, captivated viewers as they witnessed the crowning of a new queen who will carry the hopes of the nation to the global stage. The night was filled with breathtaking moments as each contestant showcased their poise and confidence through various segments, including the swimsuit and evening gown competitions. The intensity heightened as the field was narrowed down to the top 10, then the top 5, and finally, the top 3 finalists, who faced the all-important question round. Amidst the cheers and applause of an enthusiastic audience, the spotlight fell on Florence Garcia, a 25-year-old model, presenter, and entertainer from San Miguel. Standing tall at 1.80 meters, Florence exuded both beauty and intelligence, making her the perfect embodiment of the modern Salvadoran woman. Her journey to the crown was nothing short of spectacular, as she outshined her fellow contestants with her charisma, elegance, and impeccable performance. Luciana Martinez of Santa Ana was named the first runner-up, and Giselle Sandoval of Ahochapan took the position of second runner-up, both of whom were formidable contenders in their own right. Rounding out the top 5 were Jocelyn Gallegos of La Libertad and Iris Guerra of La Union, each bringing their unique charm and talent to the stage. Florence Garcia's win is a momentous occasion, as she now steps into the spotlight as El Salvador's representative at the Miss Universe 2024 competition, set to take place in Mexico City this November. The event marks the return of Miss Universe to Mexico after 17 years, and Florence is determined to make her mark on the international stage. With her sights set on becoming the first Salvadoran woman to claim the Miss Universe crown, she carries the hopes and dreams of her nation with her. Florence is no stranger to the world of pageantry. In 2022, she represented the United States at the Miss United Continents competition in Ecuador, where she won the Miss Congeniality Award, showcasing her warm personality and ability to connect with others. Now, as Miss Universe El Salvador, she brings that same spirit of kindness, along with a fierce determination to shine in one of the most prestigious beauty contests in the world. The 73rd edition of Miss Universe promises to be a grand affair, with representatives from 130 countries expected to compete. This year's competition will feature a new format, with 7 selection stages that will whittle down the contestants to the final few who will vie for the crown. Florence Garcia, with her grace, intelligence, and unwavering commitment, is ready to take on this challenge and bring pride to El Salvador. As Florence Garcia embarks on this thrilling journey to Miss Universe 2024, we can't wait to see how she dazzles the world with her beauty, talent, and Salvadoran pride. Stay tuned for more updates on her preparations, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and exclusive interviews as she gets ready to compete on one of the biggest stages in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news from the world of beauty pageants. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you the content you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.